Hi, it's Amélie. Today we're going to talk about how to play faster. So the first thing would be that when you want to play very fast, things have to become unconscious. You can't play very fast and try to control everything. So I know it sounds a bit counterintuitive because when you listen to a very good musician, they seem in control, and they are, but it's a letting go type of control. It's like when you go down a flight of stairs very fast, you're not analyzing every muscle that's working while you're doing it. And if you were, you would probably fall in the stairs. And because you went downstairs very often in your life, and it's automatic, you don't have to think about it. And it's the same when you play an instrument. So when you practice your scales, when you practice arpeggios, scales and thirds, that's a lot of tonal music just right there. You're creating those automaticisms, that then you can rely on when you play pieces. And when you play a piece, it's the same. By repeating things over and over, you're creating automaticisms. But the way you're practicing, if you're practicing with that intention to kind of program your brain to be able to do it without thinking too much, or if you're practicing with, a certain grip, is different. So when you practice, if you're observing yourself and just figuring out, when I do this, it's faster, or being relaxed, and then your brain can learn it better. And also, it's more efficient to practice often, less time, than try to practice a lot at once. Because every time you go back to something, your brain has to go back to that link that it's making, and it makes the link stronger and stronger. And that's how you make things become automatic. And so that's the first thing. Really practice things. If you have a part of a piece that's more difficult, just pick that part and maybe practice it before you start your practice, and then in the middle, and again in the end. Like many times during the day, you leave your flute out, you take it out, you play a little bit, or any other instrument, so that it becomes second nature to you. And then there's a whole ergonomy part of playing an instrument. And even if you play a different instrument than the flute, really, I would say the body is still the same. So your hand and your arm have to be aligned. This and this is not very good. Like, it should be in that range of motion here. And same with your wrist going on the sides. It should be your third finger, your middle finger should be aligned with your wrist here. That will help you a lot. Then another thing, so when I hold my flute, here I have a little, it's like this, it's not like that. It's just a little bit curved. And on my other hand, not really curved, just like this. And so there's way less risk of hurting myself, and just the biomechanics, it's faster because it's in line, and the body is supposed to be in line. So playing like this with your arms high, it's gonna block here, and the muscles here are not gonna be able to help your fingers because those muscles are related, And if you want to be able to use a little bit of rotation, and rotation is very fast and you don't get tired. You can do this for hours almost and not get tired really. And these movements help the fingers go faster as well. Like, it's all muscles here on the top of your arm and under make your fingers go up and down. So if you're like this, you're blocking, it's already hard here. It's already without even starting to work. But if I'm in line, this muscle is working way less. So it's more efficient, using less energy for a better result. You can keep your finger close to your instrument so that they have to travel less, so it's faster. But I see musicians that are not that close and play very fast because, like, at that point, they're like centimeters or millimeters. So it's the most important thing is to be in line with yourself, really. And then don't overthink it, because you want things to become natural and unconscious. So yeah, you try to be as in line as possible and make things. And then once this is there, you can learn everything that you need to learn, that you want to become automatic with that type of ergonomy. Program them in your brain in an efficient way, and let things become unconscious, let things become very natural for you. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.